Hello, everyone. This is the Venture Weaver. Today, I want to talk about something at the heart of every great text adventure: the incredible power of words, and how careful writing shapes immersion unlike anything else. Think about the last text adventure you played. No visuals, no cinematic cutscenes, just you, your screen, and carefully chosen words. But here's the thing: words aren't just placeholders for visuals, they're a powerful instrument. They create entire worlds directly in your mind. They ignite your imagination, allowing you to see scenes more vividly than the most advanced graphics card ever could. Take, for instance, a room description from my game, The Labyrinth of Time's Edge. When you read, you'd step into a darkened chamber, silence heavy around you, broken only by your breathing. Your mind fills in everything: the stone walls, faint scent of damp earth, even the nervous anticipation. That's the magic of immersion. Writing it makes you not just a player, but an active participant in storytelling. Now, detail in text adventures isn't about overwhelming you with endless paragraphs. It's about carefully choosing the words that will shape the world around you. When writing NPC interactions, I focus on subtle cues: a healer's weary eyes, a guard's cautious gaze. Each detail is purposeful, revealing deeper layers of narrative and character. For example, a simple line like, "The healer pauses, eyes distance, whenever remembering a night she'd rather forget," invites you to emphasize, to imagine her backstory, and to feel connected to a character who might only appear briefly, but will last a lifetime. Text adventures rely heavily on emotional connection because visuals aren't guiding you. Words must carry the emotional weight. This is achieved through pacing, word choice, and the rhythm of sentences. Short, clipped sentences during these moments build urgency. Longer, descriptive sentences slow things down, allowing you to savor important narrative moments. In the Shadow Vale, a region of my game that I'm currently working on, tension is crafted through carefully paced descriptions. Silence itself becomes tangible, words shaping a quiet suspense that grips players tighter than the jump scare ever could. This subtle emotional manipulation is something uniquely powerful in text adventures. Perhaps the most beautiful thing about text adventure games is the players become co authors. Your imagination completes the storytelling process. No two players see the world exactly the same way, each expressed because uniquely personal, infinitely replayable. These collaborative storytelling creates a deeper bond between the player and the game. It fosters an active rather than passive experience, one of discovery and one of creativity and personal meaning. So, in conclusion, so why does writing matter in text adventures? Because words do more than inform, they inspire. They evoke, they immerse, they respect your intelligence and creativity, empowering you to build worlds within your mind. If you're enjoyed exploring the power of the words with me today, consider joining my Patreon community. Your support directly helps keep the Labyrinth of Time's Edge thriving, allowing me to expand and share more of my imagination on this game's creation with you. And also, it covers website costs. So until next time, keep adventuring and keep imagining.